What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome Paracord bracelet designed by Elena Polkanova. So go ahead and check Elena on the Instagram. The 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends. Full tutorial you can find at the top right corner of this video in the information cards. And also there you can find the tutorial for this awesome flower Paracord bracelet done in the knot and loop style. So you have there are many other tutorials, so check it on or check it out as you wish. And now we're gonna take the orange cord and we're gonna start today's project. So with the orange cord we're gonna enter the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side from the top, so like this, and to the side. Now we're gonna take the gray paracord and we're gonna make it from the top into the same gap between third and the fourth paracord bracelet core from the left side, or first and the second core strand from the right side, as you wish. Now we're gonna pull it aside and then we're gonna make it from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side, as you can see here, and we're gonna pull it and proceed. I hate when this happens, but we have a lot of quarters to work with and sometimes it gets tangled, you can see. Now from here we're gonna take it and we're gonna make it to the right side. From there we're gonna insert the left cord under the first core strand, on top of those next two core strands, and under the last core strand, and pull all the way through, cinch it and continue. Now the right strand or the right side orange cord into the gap between first and the second core strand on the left, and then the right side gray on top into the same gap and through the back, and now from the back side through the gap between first and the second core strand on the right, and then through, and now from the left side take it and make it under the first cord, on top of those two center cords, and under the last or the fourth core strand. Tie it up and proceed. So here we are, we reached the end of today's project. I hope that you like this bracelet. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Until the next time, I wishing you just best. Stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.